Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and look for Location section instead. When you find it, click on it and tap on this switcher next to Access My Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!